TaxCloud tax software review usage experience. Which before using TaxCloud is a web-based sales tax management and compliance solution designed to simplify sales tax calculation, collection, and filing for businesses of all sizes across the United States. Established in 2010, TaxCloud serves over 2,000 customers, automating sales tax compliance across more than 13,000 US jurisdiction. And here are the key features about this platform, which is automated sales tax management, integration capability, and economic agents tracking. And here's the pros and cons about the platform. So talking about the pros, they offer a comprehensive automation. So a tax cloud automated the entire sales tax process from the calculation of filing, reducing manual workload and army for businesses, and also the platform's ability to integrate with numerous e-commerce service enhance its visibility and usability. And here's the downside, which is inconsistent customer support with a potential technical issue. And here the overall conclusion. TaxCloud offer a robust solution for its automated sales tax compliance with features that cater to a wide range of business needs. Meanwhile, many users find value in its availability and integration capabilities. Others have encountered challenges with their customer support and technical compatibility. Prospective users should weigh these factors against their specific requirements to determine if TaskCloud align with their business objective.